A couple things to consider when you're making a layout. You'll notice here that this is a piece of foam board. And the first thing to consider when you're making your layout, is this going to be movable? Is this permanent? Do you want to take it to toy shows for display competitions? Do you want to be able to move this piece of layout someplace around your room or a different area of your house, or how do you want to go about that? For this particular display, I want to be able to take this and move it from this tabletop and move it underneath the shelf and rotate it out as my interests change. What I want is the ability to move this around as I choose to. Therefore, I'm definitely using styrofoam board. Also, if I ever want to add some contours, some texture, some layers to this layout, I want that flexibility where the styrofoam easily allows me to cut grooves in it and add other layers, and then be able to work with it and give some depth to the layout. If you're using plywood, you're somewhat limited to whatever the plywood, to a flat surface. You're limited to a flat surface unless you add contour and texture to it. Of course, you can always do a combination of plywood and styrofoam depending on the look you're going for. But for this layout, to keep it simple, I want to be able to move it, I want to be able to cut into it, and make some roads and different things.